Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep Randa. I'm a student of IIT Kharagpur and I'm from section 15 and my roll number is 21IM10003. So as you can see here, I have made a fire alarm system as my second DIY project. So let me show you the list of components that I have used here. These are the components that I have used here. Let me explain it to you. The first component that I used was an Arduino. I dragged an Arduino from here to the working space, and then I use a board. And as you can see, I also use two sensors here. The first one is a gas sensor and the second one is the temperature sensor. The basic principle on which the temperature sensor works is that with increase in temperature, the voltage also increases, and the gas sensor is used to sense the gases. And for alerting purposes, I have used an LED and a piezo buzzer. And let's move on to the circuit connection. I have connected the circuit. For power, I use 5 voltage, and I use a red color wire for power and a green color wire for ground wire. Okay. So I have completed. This is how I completed the circuit. So let's move on to the code. This is the code that I have used. I use temperature temp float temp for the temperature we are taking. V out is the voltage that we get from the temperature sensor, and V out one is the new voltage that we get after the temperature increases. Okay, as you can see, all the connections are also shown here. For example, int LED 13 shows that one terminal of LED is connected to D13. Okay, so let's start our simulation. So when I start our simulation, as you can see, the initial values are 24.78. The gas sensor shows the initial value as 85. So when I click here, and when I take the smoke near to the gas sensor, as you can see that it started buzzing, and the gas sensor value also increasing 191,258. And as I take the smoke away from the sensor, it stopped buzzing. The piezo buzzer stopped buzzing. Let me show it to you again. As you can see, the gas sensor value is increasing, and after some time it becomes constant. And when I take it away from the sensor, the buzzing stops. Okay, this was my second DIY project. Thank you.